What do we have here? Team Tick. Alright. Proceed. Ooh-wee. Man. Tick performance. Oh, you can even see my reflection on this. Got the new Valley pan. Look at that. Oil sensor. It's all this billet goodness. It's all carved into this. Oh my goodness, this is nice. Hey, what's up, guys? I had a learning lesson and I made a huge mistake in my last video. Some of you were kind enough to point that out to me, and I appreciate that. So maybe I should give you a little explanation what I'm doing on this car here. Maybe not so much explanation, but my experience level. This is my first time building an engine. I had a lot of guidance with that. Basically what to do, what not to do as I'm going through it. But there's a guiding hand through it. The shop owners have been quite a bit busier during this time. They kind of guide me a little bit and they let me run on my own. But I had a little bit too much rope this time to run on a leash. And what I did last time was actually with my turbos wide open, like a dummy, I was grinding and sending material onto the back side of the turbine housing. So as you can see in here, that was open. What I'm going to do first is actually break them down and get everything cleaned out, see how well I can do that. If it goes to hell in a handbasket, it might be going back to Turbonetics for a rebuild. I hope that's not the case, but kind of is what it is. It's probably good to do anyways because they were on a sand rail previously. I don't know what the care was for that. I will get them all cleaned out and then go from there. Kind of sucks, but like I said, I'm relatively new to all this engine building stuff, so if you see me doing anything messed up, let me know. No harm, no foul. I'd like to have an open conversation with anyone that's watching these videos and hear from myself. I'll own the mistakes and I'll let you know. I'm taking apart the front end of my car and I'm going to be replacing the Valley pan. So I'm starting to break that down right now. The charge tubes taken off, and take a walk back with me over here. As you can see, I got them right over here, all taped up, and I'm gonna have my buddy Dave TIG weld these guys up. I had to do that. Anyways, those will be tigged up, and also these will need to be tigged up. I'm gonna have to take these off for now. Lesson learned again. But anyways, actually I was really good at taping off my engine and everything, so I don't know why I didn't do it on those. Whatever. Not whatever, it kind of pisses me off. So I hate doing stupid shit, but I do them for you to learn. No, I don't. I'm just pissed off. So I'm going to be taking this plenum off and removing the fuel pressure regulator. What else needs to come off? I'm going to take the front end of the car off. So right here, I'm going to be removing these bolts for the turbo mount. And I will be doing the same thing over on this side as well. Radiator comes off, that slides straight forward. That's pretty straightforward. Straightforward. Let me show you what that project car life looks like from the inside of a car. This car used to be immaculate, so let me flip this camera around. Yeah, it's kind of depressing in here. This is kind of where, like, I just everything ends up in here. It's like a parts bin. So yeah, the car's been down way too long. Better part a couple years. Oh shoot, there's some sunglasses. I'm gonna be taking those with me. Okay, I got the front half of my car tore apart. Pretty much did exactly what I said I was gonna do a minute ago, but I figured I'd get some footage of the front end of the car opened up. So let me flip this around off my... And I don't know if you noticed, I'm sweating my balls off in here because it is hot. This place is like this is like a tin cage or something in here. It's quite warm. And it's approaching like 9 p.m., 8 p.m., somewhere in there. Anyways, but I can get kind of a better view of how the pipes kind of go around. It's all nice and opened up in there right now. So yeah, downpipes are actually going to shoot on the back side of this here in a near future, on the left side of the missing AC compressor, right straight shot back over there. That's gonna be tight. Take the plenum off and the fuel pressure regulator off now. Okay, I got this monstrosity off. Let me show you one thing I don't really care about this. So let me zoom back a little bit here. Anyways, this whole unit is not connected, so watch. Bloop, bloop. Hi! Yeah, it's kind of a weird setup. It looks like $1 million, but it's kind of a pain in the ass. Now look who decided to help. Let's go show him your car, because I'm gonna...
I'll show them the car?
Yeah, I'll post this on my
YouTube.
my YouTubers.
Good old YouTube.
Here she is in all her glory. Right here. Probably about... Nah, this ain't it. That ain't it either.
Wheels and all that stuff.
Got some new black paint and
Yeah, it's all scratched up.
with some fresh scratches.
Yep.
Hey, whatever. Race car, right?
Race car.
Maven supporter. Oh, look at that. Instagram. His car was at the shop before mine. Thank you, Mr. Motorcycle Rider. Your car was at the shop before my car. And he literally did a twin turbo build before I finished my up pipes. Where are you taking this on Saturday? Forgot.
Streetcar Takeover in Indy. Going tomorrow.
What type of times do you want to get on the car?
Better than a 14.0.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. The bar is high.
The bar is high. No, the cool thing about it is the first time I took this car down the track was at Streetcar Takeover in Indy.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of like
Returning with it functional.
with it, well, functional plus triple the horsepower.
And what set you on this path? A little fender bender, right?
Yes. Accident 2018.
Did you put that in your Instagram? I think you had the before,
Yep.
the
before and after.
wreck,
Yep.
and the after.
Yep.
Clearly the after is the best part.
Right. It's the most accomplished.
Okay, so here we got the plenum off, and now we got the Motion Raceworks steam vent that I gotta remove next. So, yeah, Next video will be of that off. Okay, took off the steam vent, and now time for the valley pan. Okay, the billet valley pan tick performance has been installed, and that thing is looking trick. It's like looking into a maze when you look at that billet goodness. So, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.